Hi guys, today I'll be showing my loom bands. First I have this necklace, and I have this zippy chain, and triple single, dragon scale cuff, a rose garden, this random bracelet which I didn't finish, it's too small, this ladder, this other ladder, these two fishtails, starburst, this fishtail, other rose garden, this single chain, boop, fishtail, this one, this is like the inverted double crochet fishtail or something, I don't know, and this one, those aren't all my loom bands, but I can't really be bothered giving them all of them, or else this video will be freaking like, I don't know, 8 hours long, suitcase packed, because I am going to England. Damn. Peace out, home dogs.